Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video, I will be showing you the path to Mittenwalder Hohenweg Klettersteig. We guys are going to hike towards Mittenwalder Hohenweg and then 4-5 peaks on the way, and then we will be doing the Mittenwalder Klettersteig. From here we have the Via Ferrata. So this portion until the Karwendelbahn, there is Via Ferrata climb that we have to do. Mittenwalder Hohenweg is a Via Ferrata of level AB, usually done from Karwendelbahn station, but we did the other way around from Brunsteinhütte. If you are new to Via Ferratas, this is the perfect introduction, well secured, beautifully maintained and just exposed enough to make your heart race without pushing you over the edge. The interesting thing about this hike is on this end you see of the ridge, that's Germany, Mittenwald, and on this end here it's Austria. So we have just now crossed Kirchelspitze, and there you see is the next peak that we are heading towards, and then we will be walking all the way down there. This is an interesting path where you will be walking through a gully. It looks like a chimney. By the time you reach the end, you will have traversed exposed ridgelines, climbed vertical metal ladders, and navigated thrilling cable sections, all while securely clipped into the rock. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.